So most people solve this question like -7 plus 7 is equal to 0, right? Multiply 8 divided by 7. So now 0 multiply 8 is equal to 0 divided by 7. So 0 divided by 7 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So this question, now we can write this question like -7 plus 7 multiply 8, then it's all divided by 7, right? So first we have to solve this parenthesis, then we have to solve this division, right? So in this parenthesis, here we have one addition and here we have one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication. So now in the parenthesis -7, now 7 multiply 8 is equal to 42. Sorry, if 7 multiply 8 is equal to 56. So plus 56 divided by 7, right? So now 56 minus 7 is equal to 49. So -7 plus 56 is equal to 49 divided by 7. So now 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. So the correct answer is 7, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe to the T Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.